Imagine sitting down in front of your television, turning on a device the size of a coaster, and realizing it has silently taken over your entire living room ecosystem. For years, the tech industry has treated streaming boxes as simple utility players, quiet hardware pucks meant to fetch apps, stream high-definition content, and sit hidden under a display. But Apple is pulling back the curtain on a strategy that changes everything. This is the next-generation Apple TV 4K, and it is no longer just a streaming device. It is a highly calculated Trojan horse designed to anchor the future of spatial computing, local artificial intelligence, and smart home control directly in the center of your home. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Right now, consumer entertainment is hitting an invisible wall. We have reached peak streaming saturation, where every television manufacturer builds basic smart software into their screens. If your TV already has an app store, why would you buy a dedicated streaming console? The answer lies underneath the sleek aluminum and matte black polymer housing of the new Apple TV 4K. Apple did something unprecedented with this architecture. They realized that the true battleground of the modern household is not just about playing back high bitrate video, it is about local compute power. By upgrading the processing engine to an advanced desktop-class chip, they have quietly crossed the threshold into absolute systemic dominance. Let us address the immediate psychological friction here. When most people think about a streaming box, they think of incremental shifts, a slightly faster menus, a minor resolution standard update, or a different charging port on a remote control. We have been conditioned to accept minor generational adjustments. But behind closed doors at Apple's headquarters, this hardware has been engineered to break records. The gap between the previous iteration and this new powerhouse represents the longest stagnation in the product line's history. And that delay was entirely deliberate. Apple held this hardware back not because the silicon wasn't ready, but because they were waiting for the underlying artificial intelligence infrastructure to mature to a level that would justify a complete takeover of your living space. Think about what happens when you press the power button. In a traditional smart TV environment, the interface is slow, clunky, and riddled with data tracking advertisements. The software struggles under the weight of heavy apps, scrubbing through a high-definition timeline causes buffering stutters, and the system feels outdated within 2 years of purchase. The new Apple TV 4K completely obliterates this paradigm. It takes software processing, high-fidelity audio mapping, and advanced graphic rendering and executes them with zero latency. The interface does not just scroll, it floats seamlessly at the absolute limit of human perception. It completely removes the invisible friction that defines the modern living room experience. To fully comprehend why this machine is causing massive anxiety across the consumer tech sector, we have to look directly at the unified silicon structure. By integrating an elite architecture with a massive leap in onboard memory, Apple has quietly given this device the processing capabilities of a premium mobile workstation. This is the exact minimum configuration required to process large language models and neural algorithms completely locally, without relying on cloud servers. When you ask your device to search for content, manage your household, or interpret complex natural language commands, it doesn't send your vocal profile to a data farm thousands of miles away. It processes the computational math instantly, privately, right on your media console. This massive jump in memory and processing completely alters how the television